Hello, hello. This is another video for our beginners Cuban Salsa steps course, but this time instead of concentrating on our feet, we are going to talk about whole rest, whole our upper body and how we are positioning it during dancing. So if it happened that you are already dancing, this video might be good for you as well. Very often when you go to the party, you are watching people and you start noticing people that stand out. And many of them don't do massive amount of moves, but they know how to move their body. And this is something what makes amazing impression while you are dancing. This is something what we are going to talk about. So, first very important thing, and I think Ola will be happy that I will say that, is to bend your knees when you are dancing. This is very important, yeah? It's important to forget about dancing straight like penguin. To drop your weight a bit and bend your knees. There is always a lot of relaxed position in your knees. And from knees, we are moving directly to hips. Yeah? Especially from girl perspective, moving hips is essential factor in dancing. Moving hips is a lot easier if you help yourself with knees. So it's not just hip that is moving, but actually your foot and your knee is pushing this hip. So first rule, we are moving opposite hip to our foot when we are dancing salsa, but also bachata, merengue, all Latin dances. So what I want you to do is to keep stomping between left and right leg only. So we go left and right and left and right and start moving your hip opposite. Hip right, hip left, and right and left, and chick and chick and chick and cuckoo, and chick and chick and chick and cuckoo. Slower. So I'm stomping on the left, right hip up, and stomping on the right and left hip up. And we go again. And one and two, and one and two, and one and two, and one and two. It is very important that guys, you practice exactly the same movement. And one and two, and one and two. Now, the direction of movement is not important. It is important on which foot you are stomping. So we'll apply exactly the same hip action to our basic step side and side and basic step front and back. 5, 6, 7, hop, cheeky, cheeky, open, and cheeky, cheeky, open. So hip, right, and left, right, left, opposite to your foot. Direction of movement doesn't matter. Your foot does. And 5, 6, 7. Cheeky, cheeky, hop. And front and back. Again, hip right, and left, right, left. And right, left, right. And the feet opposite, left, and right, left, right. And cheeky, cheeky, hop. And cheeky, cheeky, hop. Fantastic. So we have hips covered. This is the basic rule. This is the rule we would like you to follow. Number 2, your rib cage. Rib cage is behaving like being on the swing. So it goes left up, right up, left up, right up, and it is important that it is not a shoulder movement. So it's just rib cage, and bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce. Now, this movement follows feet movement. So when I stomp on the left side of the rib cage goes up. When I stomp on the right side of the ribcage goes up. Let's try to do that. First in a spot, just shifting weight between left and right foot and think about your ribcage. 5, 6, slowly. Go left, go right, go left, go right, and left, and right, and left, and right. And if you notice our bodies, they start making like a C shape both directions. So when I stomp to the left, tiki, left, tiki. You have C one way, another way, and one way, another. I'm exaggerating, obviously. And tuku and kum. Tiki and kum, kum, tuku. Let's try to do the same with our basic salsa step. 5, 6, 7, kiki, 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And right, left, and left, and right, and left, right, left, right. Cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right, and cheeky, cheeky left, and front and back. Let's go. Front cheeky, cheeky, and back cheeky, puku. Front cheeky, cheeky, and shoulder stays, but rib cage moves. Tiki, tiki, boom. Left, left, and right, left, right. This requires quite a bit of practice. It is uncomfortable at beginning. And one, I'm still trying to talk to the rhythm. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is a bit uncomfortable at the beginning, but later on, this is where the flow in dancing comes from. And part number 3, our arms. Especially elbows. Let's think about elbows for a moment. Elbows are moving again like on a swing motion. So they are both going up, then down and up other direction. And down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's like a crib, yeah? That's how we call it. Like where you put the baby in. And zoom, 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 and zoom. And now, elbow comes together with rib cage and together with foot. So let's try. So everything to the left, only hip goes opposite direction. 5, 6, 7, cuckoo, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, cuckoo, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, cuckoo, and left, right, open, cheeky, cheeky, open, cheeky, cheeky, open, and 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 cheek, cheek, open, and cheek, cheek, open. It is a very complex move if you think about it. Additional aspect to think is the rhythm. So we are moving in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And this is the rhythm for our feet. But for your body, I would like you to think about fast, fast, slow, fast, fast, slow, fast, fast, slow, instead of chick, chick, kung, chick, chick, kung. Again, this is something what kills the robotic behavior of your body. Yeah, so you go fast, fast, slow, and 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 front and back and slow, and fast, fast, slow, and fast, fast, slow, and fast, fast, slow, and fast, fast, slow, and cheeky, cheeky, slow, and cheeky, cheeky, slow. The difference between guys and girls styling is what is happening with your elbows down to your palms. From guy perspective, this part of your arm is very stable. And Ola lets her arms move in a bit more circular motion. Do you? Or, yeah. Tuku and king, king, kuku, and king, king, kuku. I can give you exercise, girls, to practice. Move your both arms to the left to the left, and right also to the left. Now, start moving right arm only in a circular motion inside, 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 stop. Okay, now, left one also inside, 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 and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop. Now, so we want to move them both inside, but now it is important that when one goes inside, second goes outside. And swap, and swap, and swap, and swap, and swap, and swap, and chick, and cuckoo, and chick, and kiki, and chick, and cuckoo, and chick. And then you can make this motion a bit smaller, but with the same dynamics, and chick, and cuckoo, and chick. And now it is connected also with the elbow movement. So arm opens when elbow opens, and arm is closing when elbow is closing. So it's open and close, open and close, open and close and open. As you can see, Ola is even starting it from the rib cage. So rib cage is moving your elbow, and then it continues further to your arm. Let's do the same with the left one. So just open and close, 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 and both open and 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 open. Okay, so now we'll do one more time our steps, and Ola is going to add a bit more arms as well. This is This is one of the elements that is bringing a lot of feminine touch to dancing. This is something what makes the biggest difference, because I'll do something funny now. Funny moment, moment. I like to show this to people when we are dancing. Arms are creating massive impression when you are dancing. So when I do our basic step, ting, ting, cuckoo, and I move my arms, the movement looks heavy. And now it would be enough that I hide these arms and do exactly the same. Movement doesn't look masculine anymore at all. Yeah? So it is very important that you move your arms, and the way you move them creates the big difference. Okay. So we are going with all basic step, front and back, arms, ribcage, hips, and knees. 5, 6, 7, basic, cheeky, cheeky, open, cheeky, cheeky, open, cheek, cheek, cool, and cheek, cheek, and slow, cheek, cheek, and slow, and cheek, cheek, and slow, cheek, cheek, and slow, and front and back, cool, cuckoo, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll do it for a minute with music. We'll do it with slow music so you can have a clear view for what is happening with our bodies. 6, 7, and tick, tick, hop, tick, tick, hop, tick, tick, hop, boom, boom, cheeky. And you see my hips are still moving, but I'm kind of hiding this with my arms. So guys, don't be shy, don't be afraid of moving your hips. And front and back, and go. Boom, cheeky, come, beep, 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 pa, beep, beep. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And basic side, 6, open, chick, chick, cuckoo, chick, chick, cuckoo, chick, chick, cuckoo, chick, chick, cuckoo. And front and back, let's go. 1, 5, 6, 7, and boom, cheeky. 5, 6, 7, and basic side. 6, 7, cheeky, 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And 5, 6, 7. That's great. This will be the end of our class. I hope you have a lot more understanding about your own body control while doing Cuban salsa, but also bachata, merengue. In many Latin dances, the same body dynamics idea is used. If you would like to see more classes like that, comment under this video. Obviously, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you can become a patron of our channel if you wish. All links in description. See you later. Bye-bye.